In this lecture, we'll cover the basics of Twilio. We'll learn how to buy and connect a phone number from Twilio to our AI voice agent. Let's get started. Now, once we open Twilio.com, you'll see this page. Simply go for Start Free. And after logging in your account or signing in a new account, you'll see this dashboard. Now, Twilio is the application which we use to buy and connect our phone numbers with our AI voice agent. The good thing about Twilio is that we get a lot of options in terms of buying the phone number, and we can pretty much buy a phone number from any country using Twilio, and the cost is pretty efficient, I would say. So, in Twilio, you just need to simply go to phone numbers. On the phone numbers, you have to go for buy a number. In buy a number, you can search the country whose phone number you want to buy. So in this case, we have US, and we have a lot of options for US. So usually what happens is that we have to pay two fees. One is the phone number fee. So as you can see in this case, for this number, we need to pay $1.15 every single month. It's almost the same for every single phone number, but yes, for some countries, especially for some European countries, the costs are a little higher. For some Asian countries, it's a little low. So that's how it is, and we need to pay the monthly fee to Twilio. And the second is the per minute usage. So you can go to Twilio pricing. Twilio pricing. So on the Twilio pricing, you'll be able to see the exact cost per minute Twilio uses for the phone number which you have connected to a voice agent, right? So in voice APIs, you can go to view voice pricing and select the country, and then you can scroll down and see the cost for per minute usage of your Twilio phone number. It's pretty low, I would say, in most cases. So yes, here's the page. You can calculate the cost of per minute usage. Now, let's go back to the dashboard, and here you can buy the phone number. Just simply click on buy and buy the phone number. So just click on this, you'll be able to buy the phone number. Now, once you buy the phone number, you'll be able to see your active numbers in this active number tab on the left hand side. So just click on it, and here you can see the list of numbers. In my case, I bought some British phone numbers, some US phone numbers. So depending upon client location, we have done this. Now, remember one thing: whenever you are making an AI voice agent, make sure that you know the geographic location of the customers which will be calling the agent or which the agent will be calling, right? So if the agent's main job is to cold call leads in Europe, then the phone number which the agent uses to cold call is also a European phone number. This is very important. Otherwise, people will think you are a scammer or something like this. So just to make sure you have the right phone number in place. Now, once you have the phone number in place, then we go to the pricing section, which is also very important. So it's like the recharge thing, where you just fill up money in your subscription account. You just do a top up, and then Twilio basically cuts money from that top up. Okay. So in the dashboard, on the top right hand side, you'll see admin. So just click on admin, and you'll see account billing. Now here's where you can basically do a top up in your account, and Twilio will basically cut money from your account when you're using the agent, right? So it's like a pay as you go model, where if you use the agent for 1,000 minutes, you'll be charged for 1,000 minutes, just like Vapi. And this is the best, I would say, subscription model which you can go for. So just go for add more funds. You can add a payment method, enter the amount. The minimum amount is $20. $20 usually does the job for like a month or so, so you can go for it. And yes, so this is pretty much, and here you can see the usage of the agent over the time period. So yeah, that's pretty much for Twilio. Okay, once you buy the phone number, then we go to Vapi. In Vapi, we go to phone numbers tab, the left hand side, and we go for a create a phone number. So in this case, as I've already connected a lot of phone numbers, I have a list of them, but in your case, you might not see anything, and just click on create a phone number option. Then we go to import Twilio, and here is the place where you can enter the phone number. So in this case, if you have this phone number, just copy this, paste. Now it's gonna ask for Twilio account SID and Twilio authentication token, right? So just go to your dashboard, and you'll find both of these things in your dashboard. So just copy them and paste them here, copy them, paste them here. Label is like what you're gonna call this phone number, right? So in this case, we can just say test1 and import from Twilio. So label is basically what you're gonna nickname your phone number, right? So you can do it anything, you name it anything. In this case, we're naming it test1. And once that is done, you can click on import from Twilio and you'll be able to see your phone number in WAPI. So once you import your number from Twilio, this is what you're gonna see. As you can see, we see the phone number, we see some ID from the phone number and the inbound number and the assistant. So basically we have two settings, inbound and outbound. Inbound means that which assistant will answer the customer if somebody calls this phone number, and you can just click on this. You'll be able to see the list of your assistants. Click on any one of them, and when anyone calls this phone number, this specific assistant will answer that customer. So that's for the inbound squatting. Ignore this for now. We'll cover this in the later lecture. And this is fallback destination, which is basically if somebody calls the assistant and the assistant was not able to answer because of some technical difficulties, the customer will be redirected to this phone number. So we'll scroll down and we'll see outbound settings. So outbound settings are basically if we are making an agent for outbound calling, we just simply put the customer's phone number here. So in this case, we'll just put this number, the assistant, and then we can make a call. So if we select maybe any like a meeting reminder agent, we can make a call. We don't use this when we are making outbound agents. We use make.com to make outbound calls, but this is just for testing purposes. So for example, you made any agent in WAPI, you want to test the outbound structure, just put your own phone number here or anyone's phone number, choose your assistant and make a call to test that out. So yeah, this is pretty much how you connect your phone number from Twilio to WAPI.